I attended the premiere night of Isang Himala, the film adaptation of the musical adaptation of the 1982 Ishmael Bernal classic film, Himala.
Nasaan ang Himala? Nasaan ang Himala? Ayun! Ayun! Nandiyan! Ayun!
Aisel Santos Zambrano plays the iconic role Elsa, originated by national artist Nora Honor. Beside her was composer Vincent De Jesus, Pepe Jokno, the director of Isang Himala, and national artist Ricky Lee, who wrote both the 1982 film and now the 2024 movie musical. Friends from the press and the theater community came full force to support the movie.
And the Aliu Award winner.
Talking about award-winning actors,
Yeah, thank everyone for Sir Ricky Lee.
Oh.
Ayan. Ito na.
just as excited as the rest of us was the cast who were watching the movie for the first time. First time in Philippine movie history na ang cast nitong pelikula ay karamihan theater actors, and every single one of them is so good.
Isang Himala! Isang Himala! Baldo! Love team! Bagong love team! Where's husband?
I'm the representation.
Sa isang diba sa darating 25. Tulungan niyo po kami.
May! Direct May!
Hello. Hi.
Adis kang Himalay na sa puso. Timmy boy, congrats for your Aliu.
Thank you so much. Congrats sa Isang Himala!
Kayo po ay serving sa labas ng aming mga kaibigan mula sa media.
All class. Grabe.
We're sweet.
Sige
punta natin. Happy birthday and congratulations.
Showcasing sa labas ng ating theater.
December 25.
For the next show.
Yeah.
At ang mabuting balita tungkol sa isang himala. More cinemas to screen our film para mas mapanood pa ng maraming.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, kayo pala yan, sir.
Congratulations, isang himala.
Proud father. What do you think?
Of course, it's great.
Shell Jokno was there beaming with pride for his son Pepe.
That's amazing work.
And our national artist for cinema had this to say.
A new incarnation. You heard that. He's glad it's theater actors. Galing ng mga artista na to.
Grabe. Kisas.
Saan ba kayo galing? Ba't ang gagaling mo?
I learned from the best.
I learned from you.
the best.
Theater kasi.
Theater.
And the best actress and supporting actresses go to...
Grabe naman.
Who did you watch yesterday and the other day?
We watched him. He was an old man.
And now I'm watching her. Your mother's fantastic.
When I watched it, I was like, hey, I recognize this guy. Wait. Who is it? It's Jacob.
Oh. Ganda ng own mo. Congrats! Congrats, guys! Thank you! Harmony pa sila. Oh! Oh, Discovery! Oh, Discovery! Ganyan talaga yan eh.
Ganyan ko lang nabatiin.
Ganyan yan eh.
Hindi ako makapaniwala na ginawa ko yun siya kanya in the first place. Sa Dumaguete tayo. Sabaw na ako, sabi ko, oh, discover.
Congratulations!
Siyempre, Stages was there, full force to support Aisel.
May kami ng himala. Anong predict natin nung 2 months ago?
I am gonna say it again. Best actress for this year.
Agree!
I am claiming it. I am claiming
We
it.
claim it!
No more tears left. No more.
Makinig ang lahat